Hi, I'm Roger Nosker. I'm a client of Attorneys for Freedom. I am from Flagstaff, Arizona. 2 years ago, I was charged with a very serious felony with a mandatory prison sentence of a minimum of 5 years and as much as 15 years. I retained 3 different attorneys in Flagstaff, all of which were either less than competent or simply just didn't care about the outcome of my case before I finally, through a friend, was directed toward Attorneys for Freedom, and I met Mark and Andy Marcantel. I can say with absolute certainty, had I not retained Andy and Mark, I would be in prison right now. They gave me a very competent defense, a very aggressive defense that I would not have expected from my previous attorneys. They were very civil. They got me a much better outcome from that trial than I would have expected from any of the other attorneys that I talked to. If your life is on the line, if you're looking at a serious prison term, I would be very sure to come to Attorneys for Freedom. I'd recommend them highly. You don't want to take a chance on an attorney that doesn't really care about you. I wish I had been a participant of the Attorneys on Retainer program. I would have saved myself a lot of money, a lot of fear and anxiety, and I would not have wasted as much time. The case I was involved in, again, was a mandatory prison sentence. Mark and Andy gave me a very competent, a very aggressive defense. I was very pleased with the manner in which they approached it, their thoroughness. I really have to credit them with a team approach here at Attorneys for Freedom. A lot of people in this firm were involved in my case. And I just can't say enough about the level of teamwork, the levels of communication that I received, superior in every way to any of the lawyers that I previously retained. I want to say thank you to Mark, Andy, and everyone at Attorneys for Freedom. I wouldn't have the life and the freedom that I enjoy today. I wouldn't be with my family. I owe them a great deal. They are superior. I can't say enough, and I can't thank them enough for all that they've done to give me back my life. I would highly recommend Attorneys for Freedom for anyone facing a serious crime.